Today's task is a simple walkthrough of the function menus and pages in our platform. Let's get started. First, log into the platform, and after logging in, you will be directed to the home page. On the left side is a list of all function menus of the platform. In the middle, there is a welcome section, MQTT throughput rate, and recent activities, favorites, and news. In the upper right corner, you can access user manuals, check notifications, edit system settings, including account information, workspace details, and privacy policy. Now let's move to Unified Namespace, or UNS. This is the core of Tier0, where data modeling and data connection are taken care of. Under Edge, you can connect to the internal MQTT broker through the public broker endpoint and the generated authentication credentials. Of course, you can also monitor and manage connected clients here. UNS builds data models based on data hierarchy, ownership, and other specified rules. And once the industrial data is connected to those models, it becomes available throughout the entire platform. The flows section is divided into two parts, source flow and event flow. The former, powered by Node-RED, supports various industrial data connection, and the latter focuses more on data processing, transformation, and event-driven logic. Okay, let's move on to the next part, app. Three separated menus work together to complete the process of building, managing, and launching industrial applications. Builder is where you describe what you want in natural language, and the AI agent turns your ideas into applications. Project is used to categorize and manage the applications or functional modules of an application built on Builder. Finally, Launchpad. It displays applications deployed after building on Builder, but remember, only the ones you have access to. Next, let's look at Anchor. To put it simply, Anchor is the digital twin module of Tier0. In Model, you can upload 3D models and map them with live UNS data. And then in Scene, you can put related models together and configure lighting, background, and other scene settings to bring your factory to life. Last but not least, let's look at data analysis. This section uses Marimo Notebook, which enables you to use Python scripts to do advanced data analysis, such as building dashboards, alerts, and interactive reports. So that's a quick overview of all the menus in Tier0.